panunumpa sa impeachment at talumpati ni Bato, nagbunsod ng tensyon. Uminit ang pagtatalo sa sahig ng Senado matapos magkaiba ang pananaw ng dalawang senador ukol sa mga dapat unahin sa kanilang sesyon. Nagugat ang hindi pagkakaunawaan ng tangkaing harangin ni Senate Minority Leader Aquilino, Coco Pimentel III ang nakatakdang privilege speech ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Tension brewed between Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa and Senator Aquilino, Coco Pimentel III as the latter blocked the staunch Duterte allies' privilege speech, asserting that the agreed-upon oath-taking of senators as impeachment judges should take priority, as it is already an approved motion. Iginiit ni Pimentel na dapat sundin ang napagkasundo ang mosyon na minampa muna ang mga senador bilang mga hukom para sa nakahaing impeachment trial. Dahil sa namong tensyon, namagitan si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano upang humanap ng solusyon sa gusot. Mula sa kanyang tinig ng karanasan, iminungkahi ni Cayetano ang isang kompromiso, payagan si De La Rosa na magbigay ng kanyang talumpati at agad itong susundan ng panunumpa ng mga senador hukom. Bagamat isang paglabag sa agenda, sinabi ni Cayetano na pareho namang magaganap ang dalawang mahalagang kaganapan sa loob ng araw na iyon. Pumayag naman si Pimentel sa mungkahi, at tiniyak ng namumunong opisyal ng Senado na ang panunumpa ay matutuloy bago matapos ang kanilang sesyon, na nagbigay daan sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang trabaho.
Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa is seeking the floor for us. He would like to deliver a privilege speech.
What is the pleasure of the honorable?
Mr. President.
Before recognizing the honorable de la Rosa, Senator Pimentel is raising his hand. What is the pleasure of the honorable Pimentel?
Shouldn't we, in good faith, implement the approved motion from yesterday, Mr. President, that at 4 o'clock we should be taking our oath as senator judges, and then we'll give way to the privilege speech, Mr. President. So that was the motion approved by the body yesterday.
Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, we will be honoring that what was agreed upon yesterday, but this is a personal collective privilege, and any member of this August body can just stand up and avail of this collective of this privilege hour, Mr. President.
No, I don't think so, Mr. President. This is a privilege speech. This is a privilege speech. This is not a privilege motion. So my motion is to execute and implement what was agreed upon yesterday. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we take our oath.
Senator,
I make a record the time. It's 4:31 p.m. Mr. President.
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Mr. President, it was very clear yesterday that we agreed that before I take my oath as member of the impeachment court, I should have delivered my privilege speech. That's why I made it a precondition to my approval or to my agreement to the motions yesterday that I'm willing to take oath as a member of the impeachment court, provided let me first deliver my privilege speech. And very clear, it was agreed by the minority leader.
No, Mr. President, no. It was stressed the convening of the court. That was the issue. And the agreement natin, the oath taking is not the convening of the court. That's very clear, Mr. President.
Several members are raising their hands. May I first acknowledge our Majority Floor Leader, Senator Tolentino. Thereafter, our Deputy Minority Floor Leader, Senator Ontiveros. Senator Tolentino may proceed.
With the permission of the gentleman. Mr. President, let me remind the gentleman that yesterday this representation moved to expunge from the records the word agreement, precisely because this representation would want that all matter that arose yesterday should be expressed stipulations coming from the mandate of the Constitution. Yung agreement po siguro inalis na natin to reflect the solemnness of the proceedings yesterday. So, kung ano po yun na pag-usapan, Mr. President, siguro yung dalawang Ginoo na lamang muli ang magkasundo, pero the record should not reflect the word agreement. Iyon po lang yung sinasabi ko, Mr. President. Maraming salamat po.
Mr.
Noted.
President,
Senator,
this
prior
is,
to
this is important because it's related. So, what I'm asking
Senator
to be,
Pimentel, you may proceed.
What I'm asking to be enforced is the motion approved already, Mr. President. So we had approved by the plenary. A motion was approved by the plenary. So yun lang.
Senator Ontiveros is recognized.
I second the motion of the minority leader, Mr. President. The motion to implement the approved motion. Napakahirap naman po magpatupad ng ganyang kasimple. Mr. President, under Section 3 of our Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the presiding officer shall administer the prescribed oath or affirmation to the members of the Senate then present, and to the other members as they shall appear, whose duty it shall be to take the same. So yung pagka wala po o yung hindi pa po pagkasumpa ng ibang mga senador, hindi naman po hadlang sa mga present ngayon at manunumpa ngayon para magsimulang tuparin yung tungkulin namin bilang miyembro ng impeachment court. Kung nais po ng good gentleman from Davao mag-deliver ng privilege speech ngayon, maari namang pong ituloy na po yung pagpapatupad ng agreed motion kahapon, manumpa kaming lahat na iba sa inyo bilang presiding officer, and then pakinggan po natin ang privilege speech ng good gentleman from Davao, at pagkatapos kung nais niya, ay pwedeng manumpa na ayon dito sa ating rules of impeachment, Mr. President. So
Mr.
sinusugundahan ko po yung motion ng minority leader na gawin na po natin yung approved motion kahapon. Salamat po, Mr. President.
Chair would like to make some remarks before acknowledging Senator De La Rosa. There was a prior motion made by the majority floor leader. There is no motion to second as of yet because we first have to dispose of the first motion made by the majority leader with respect to the recognition of Senator Bato. But we note the manifest. We will consider and take note of the remarks of Senator Ontiveros as a manifestation for the meantime. Now, the movement is here. The person who made the motion yesterday. Perhaps when I suspend session, you can discuss it. But for the record, there is no attempt whatsoever, and kindly, I hope people will refrain from making insinuations that there is an intent not to proceed with what was agreed upon yesterday simply because of the time. Because I was here at 4 p.m. and I waited until we had enough numbers for a quorum. And we will proceed as scheduled with respect to that. So whether Senator Bato, as will be discussed when we suspend, will speak first, or we will do what is being suggested by the minority floor leader. In either case, both will be done today. So before I recognize the movement, Chair will suspend the session so that you can discuss. Session is suspended. Session is resumed.
Mr. President,
Senator Cayetano is recognized.
with the permission of the Majority Leader and Senator Bato, the Minority Leader, may I just offer some voice of experience. Actually, sinabi na to ni SP, pero I'll just elaborate. But let me start out by saying, I understand why the Minority Leader stood up. Yes, minority at mas konti sila, but they have a role to play. It's not only a very important role today, it's an essential role. It's not only a role in our legislative session, it's a role in holding the second highest person in our government accountable. They have fought for that not just yesterday, but the minority leader, despite running for Congress, have continued, in Tagalog, tinutukan to. And in fact, I have to apologize to him, medyo mas tama ka na yung forthwith means agad, pero tinignan ko na yung Filipino version, isusunod agad. in that context, makikiusap ako sa minority leader. We've been here long enough, dun sa atin na 3-4 terms na pag nag-argue kung sinong una, tatagal tayo na 1-2 oras, walang mauuna. So kung gagawin natin yung forthwith today, ibig sabihin isusunod agad. I looked at the rules, no? Sabi po kasi talaga pagka personal privilege, pwede mauna. But ang sabi nga ni Minority Leader and backed up by the Deputy Minority Leader, we know how important the impeachment court is. So may I ask a further favor indulgence from the Minority Leader that we allow Senator Bato so that we also do not violate. We're going to violate 1 or 2 things today. Violate the agenda, dahil sa agenda talaga mag-oath taking, or violate our rules, dahil sabi sa rules, anytime pwede kang tumayo sa personal privilege. So may we ask for the indulgence ng minority to allow Senator Bato to deliver his speech because binanggit niya to sa akin kahapon. Kung ako nagkulang, pasensya na po kayo dahil ang pakiusap niya kahapon, bago mag-oath, magsasalita siya. So if we can allow him, then with the permission of the Majority Leader, I'll volunteer you to forthwith, immediately, agad-agad move na we take our oath as members of the impeachment court. If it's acceptable to the Minority Leader. It's not the perfect solution, sir, but I hope it's acceptable.
What does the Minority Leader say?
Basically, Mr. President, we will agree to the suggestion of Senator Alan Cayetano. Pero ito lang yung point ko for those of you still present or serving in the 20th Congress. There is a purpose, meron tayong agenda. So when you are in number 7 for privilege speech, you cannot just stand up and then accelerate the tackling of your item in the session, Mr. President, by just standing up. So ano lang po yun, just an observation. So with that, I willingly give way to our colleague with this important message for us, Mr. President, Senator Bato de la Rosa.
We thank Senator Pimentel, also thank Senator Cayetano. Sana mas madalas-dalas siya dito. Hindi ikaw, Coco, si Alan. And also for the record, I'd like to assure our Minority Floor Leader and Deputy Minority Floor Leader that we will, the chair would rather preside over the oath-taking of members of the impeachment court today. Before we adjourn, the clock not with standing to give way to the privileged speech of the Honorable De La Rosa, because the Senate, after all, is a deliberative body. Everyone should be free to say their piece, subject to certain limitations, of course. And we are free to agree or disagree. And if the matter cannot be settled, for it to be put to a vote. If there are no other members who wish to state their piece on the matter, Chair now recognizes Senator Bato de la Rosa. You may proceed, sir.